Welcome to an AMI Stacks deployment for Node.js 19.5 open source on AWS. Our development stacks are for advanced users with technical skill and experience. Copying the usage information to a text editor is suggested for easy reference. Make sure you review the listing terms, pricing, and ask all questions before you deploy. We recommend using a seller-suggested AWS security group for initial deployment. You can expect about a 5-minute deployment. Wait for initialization to complete, and take the time to name your instance. It is very important to wait the full 5 minutes for deployment. Otherwise, you will run into EC2 errors. Here we created and assigned our public elastic IP address to our EC2. This will make it easier to power cycle the EC2, and not have to reset our SSH connection. Now we will add our public elastic IP address to the usage instructions we saved earlier on Notepad. Make sure port 8080 is open, and accept the certificate warning. If we test the public EIP address, we will observe the HTTP server is running. Stop and disable it if you do not require it. We will also make use of the elastic IP address for our SFTP connection via WinSCP. Via command line we will make note of current versions running for Node, NPM, NVM, Yarn, and PHP. We will also do a quick status check of Apache and PHP FPM. Register for A51, and access the main dashboard to see your newly deployed instance. Note: A51 is only a limited user interface to your AWS console, and you are responsible for all costs associated with your AWS account. Basic database connection information can be found in the stack guide, but it is also observable in this video. If you do not require local MySQL, it is suggested you stop and disable it. Obviously, for security reasons, you will want to change default passwords post-installation, and prior to production usage. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website.